Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue the another 100 and times transfer. Yeah, the rate is only 0.42%, which yeah, it's pretty much lower than our expectation maybe. So yeah, we cannot get that players that easy as we know. Oh, thanks God, it's our 120. Well, to increase our luckiness, maybe we are going to have another shot tomorrow. Thanks to God, they gave us Salinas for the best luckiness. Still have tomorrow. Not really that hard, guys. Well, maybe the Natureza is also the same. Probably need that blue hidden skill source and this guy source. So yeah. It's okay, it's you are we having it too much. And of course, my rank is Platinum 4, and I am going to hit the Superstar, but it's not going to be that easy because you can only play 2 times a day, maybe. Just really in case you feel so hard to get into the Superstar. Do we really need genius reflex? This one. Or maybe this one. Well, I think I forgot to hidden ability. I mean, limit bracket before we are going to the rank match. It's pretty much that hard because I don't know. I keep losing the connection from time to time. That could be said that that's unfair. Well, I think I have done it. Yeah, as you can see here, my win rate is low and I've got like 45 mats and still have to struggle. Yeah, I lose one. Remaining four mats. I need three more wins. That's a little bit unfair actually. But yeah, there it is. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.